Isn't it annoying to find streaks and dust on your windows? Not only are they unsightly, but they can also rob your home of natural light. Unfortunately, window cleaning often takes a backseat compared to other chores. Why bother cleaning something you can hide behind a curtain? Even so, it's still important to keep them clean. Here's a quick and easy guide to help you have spotless windows at home. Number 1. Don't clean on a sunny day. Contrary to what you might think, cleaning windows on sunny days isn't ideal. The sunlight can dry out your cleaning solution too quickly. This leaves streaks on the window. Instead, wait for a cloudy day before you start cleaning. Number 2. Have the essential tools. There are several supplies that can make your window cleaning easier. These include a microfiber cloth, feather duster, squeegee, and sponge. For your cleaning solution, a dish soap and water or vinegar mixture works just fine. Number 3. Dust the window first. Before you wash the windows, use your feather duster first. You need to remove the dust on the surface so you don't spread more streaks when the window's wet. Number 4. Clean the screens separately. Doing so is more effective for thoroughly removing dirt. Number 5. Make use of your microfiber cloth. This type of cloth minimizes streaks. Be sure to apply your glass cleaner on the cloth, not the window. This protects the frames from potentially getting discolored. Number 6. Start from top to bottom. When wiping the windows, use a Z-shape motion as you move your way down. It helps ensure you don't miss any spots. Number 7. Squeegees are your best friend. A squeegee is very effective at removing excess moisture on the window. This helps prevent water stains later on. Follow proper squeegee techniques. Check its condition, maintain a light grip, and use the squeegee motion for optimal results. Number 8. Safety first. If you have any hard-to-reach windows, use a stable ladder. You could also invest in a specialized cleaning kit with a telescopic pole. Number 9. Don't neglect the window tracks. Even clean windows lose their appeal if the tracks are dirty too. Thoroughly clean the tracks by vacuuming loose debris, sprinkling baking soda, applying a cleaning solution, and scrubbing with a toothbrush. Number 10. Know when to call a cleaning pro. DIY window cleaning is all well and good. But if you don't have the time or energy, you can always call a cleaning service. They already have the cleaning supplies and expertise to clean your windows much faster than you can. With clean windows comes a clearer, more enjoyable view from your home. So remember these tips the next time your windows need a thorough cleaning. They can help you have a bright and healthy home.